that talking, girl. You in my business. Don't do that.
I hope he does not post that.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do a prank on my sister. She's right there, y'all, looking at me, and she don't know what I'm doing yet. Y'all don't mind this mountain in my head like from the last video. It's not taking the eviction notice too well, so don't mind it. But anyways, you guys, I'm gonna act ratchet for today, you know, just to kind of see what my sister will say. I'm gonna act like I'm vlogging, but yeah, let's just get into the video. This is gonna be a little car vlog again. Say hi. But we about to go get some tacos or whatever. It's about to be so good.
Alright, so
I don't even know how to act ratchet.
excuse me. Where are we going first? The park or
We're about to get something to eat now because I'm hungry.
okay, give me the GPS.
Girl, get your own GPS.
You know who said okay, I'm gonna go to the park. I'm getting my own GPS.
I'm recording.
Get your own GPS. I'm gonna be recording too. Can I borrow your phone?
Why?
Record.
Can you pause that for a quick second?
In the background noises.
I am hungry.
In my car because I was doing a lot of errands.
Can I help
I'm
you?
in my car, so I have to.
You hungry, but you don't know what you're gonna eat. What you
I'm
gonna eat?
hungry.
What you gonna eat?
I don't care what I eat. You got headphones?
So I have.
You got
Can you?
headphones?
Why? What you gonna do? Okay, go do your video.
Oh, I don't have headphones. Probably in my purse. Look for it. I was doing a lot of errands.
Girl.
I have to get this video.
So much attitude.
6:30.
I wish I had some gum, y'all, because this girl ain't got no gum in her car.
Why the hell are you talking like that? Please.
Can I take off all
You
your
should not put down your.
What you
vlog.
mean? Yeah, this is going on my vlog. What you mean?
Why you patting your hair?
Because it is. What you mean why I'm patting my hair?
You know I hate when people pat your hair and you want to pat your hair.
I'm hungry. You do all that talking, girl. You in my business. Don't do that.
I hope he does not post that. I don't even want to have.
I am posting these. You ain't trying to feed.
Shut up.
Girl, don't tell me to shut up. This ain't it, girl. Cause you doing too much right now. You doing too much right now. You shush.
No, thank you, honesty.
Somebody back there said something. Oh, okay, that's what I thought. Y'all could never, okay? Y'all could never be me. I'm vlogging.
baby.
Why are you vlogging? We got vlogs properly.
What you mean vlog properly? What's proper? What's proper to you?
Can I get my AirPods?
What you need them for? You driving? We'll look.
This is my AirPods.
Okay, but we'll look when you get out the car. We'll look for them.
Okay, you want to give me your AirPods so we're gonna listen to the show?
Excuse me.
You're not really vlogging. I don't know why you went to your space.
I am vlogging. Do you not see that this thing is going?
You wasting your space.
No, I'm not. I'm gonna
Sit
post
back.
this.
Sit back, honesty.
Hey, yo, little girl, you better sit back. Sit back, little girl. Sit back. Sit back, okay?
I love to make new friends, and sometimes all it takes.
Girl, what's your problem? Look at you. Look at you. Y'all, so we just went ahead and got Bojangles. You know, this is my second time eating this. What you said?
Why are you talking like that?
Mind your business. Anyway, so how was that fun? You had fun?
You gonna edit the video and be like,
Do you like the fries?
it's not
Fun is good, y'all. I don't know why she put on her headphones. Like, this is not safe driving with your headphones on.
Junior now. We home.
But we had to have whatever. This is so good.
It's fine.
I'm good.
Grab the phone from Anna's hand. See this
guys got.
I know, right?
This is a mukbang. I don't know if y'all want to see me eat. Y'all just ain't in because this food is busting or whatever. Did y'all enjoy my little mukbang? Hey, y'all need to stop talking about videos.
How I feel when you talking like that.
But I'm talking like what? This is how I normally talk on a regular basis, okay? What you laughing at back there?
I'm gonna leave y'all in here in the heat until
You a hater. You a hater. You a hater. Anyways, y'all. She's hating on me because she don't know how to talk like me. I be trying to help her talk like me, but she don't want to talk like me because she don't know how to.
Everybody want to talk like that.
Yes, you do want to talk like this. So, y'all, it's raining a little bit or whatever. You know, like, these neighbors about to hear my voice today. Because this heavy-ass water thing, I ain't carrying it upstairs and downstairs. Like, this is too much.
It's hot. I don't know.
Close the door.
Come on.
Hurry up and walk, girl. What the hell? Anyways, hi guys, welcome back to my channel or whatever. It's a couple of days later. I ain't finished vlogging or whatever, but today I'm about to finish vlogging, okay? I got a new outfit on. It's just a dress. Oh, this is from my haul. You guys, make sure y'all check out my haul on my channel or whatever. And I got a tan because we went to the pool. So, yeah, that's different. But say hi.
Why are you so loud? Everybody can hear you. If they can't hear you, they can just put the volume up.
I want them to put the volume up. What you doing?
Those are my hair blockers.
How am I a hater?
You for being loud and obnoxious.
She think I'm being obnoxious, y'all. Y'all think I'm being obnoxious? Y'all comment down below if y'all think that I'm being obnoxious. But I don't think that I'm being obnoxious. Like, that is just so ridiculous. That's a ridiculous statement. That
the same word.
because I gotta ask them a question. I gotta ask them if I'm being obnoxious when I'm not being obnoxious, because I can't be obnoxious because I'm not. So what we about to do? What we about to do?
Can you close your vlog already?
Why? Am I being too loud for you? The hell?
I don't understand why you do your vlog like that.
Because then people want to see different styles. Like, they want to see different sides of me, and this is the lit side.
Why?
This is the lit side. What's so funny?
You said that's the lit side.
Yeah.
I don't want you to be lit around me.
Why?
Just stick to your regular shit.
No.
Don't do no vlog.
No. Don't do no.
Apparently, you feel like you have to yell for people to hear you.
They about to see me lit, okay?
That's not lit.
That is lit. She about to cook some oxtail, because you know I like them oxtail bones. I like. So I don't know why my voice is like this all of a sudden, but this is what I'm feeling like. This is what's coming out of me today, and y'all about to get all of it, okay? That's okay. It's fine. This is us. This is we. We here. Why you look so uninterested? Little Red Riding Hood.
I'm trying to make sure. I'm trying to pray. I'm praying to God to finish this vlog already. That's what I was doing. I was talking to God. I was like, God, please make her phone die or something.
You see what they hating? They're praying on your downfall. They don't want y'all to see this video. Anyways, y'all, this vlog is over. Short and simple.
Thank God.
Girl.
Don't forget to like, comment, and if you don't want to subscribe, you don't have to because she's loud enough. If you don't want to hear that, I feel you. But don't forget to don't even like this video. She don't think it's cute. You know what? Bye, y'all. End this vlog. Hurry up. Please. Giving me a headache, bro.
Well, this was actually a prank video, so you got pranked.
That's the worst prank ever, bro. Who thought about that? Who
this was me acting ratchet to see if Gina will respond. I should have named this vlog Annoying My Sister Day, because I've been annoying you all day.
You sure have.
Anyways, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Always make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you know when I upload.
Subscribe to my channel. I'm not loud enough now. Yeah.
Like I always tell you guys, always be yourself, because everybody else is taking, honey. So make sure you be yourself and who you are, period.
Oh.
And that's what she is, okay? But you guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.